Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a jQuery tutorial on freeCodeCamp, and we're going to learn about the appendTo function. So the appendTo function allows you to select that HTML element and append it to another element. So what it does is that it's a selector, just as we've done before, and whatever we select, we're appending that to another selector. So we're going to use an example for you to see. So it wants you to move target2 element from left wall to your right wall. So left wall, target2 to right wall. So we first select target2. So $, hashtag target2 dot append to, and then we do left wall to your right wall. So hashtag right wall, and now we see that it gets moved. And that's all for this one. Thank you so much.